All right, today's lesson is going to be on page 263 in our Pearson book, and it's Count Your Change Carefully. So at the first part, it gives you a chart, and these are just the first three problems on the chart. It says number one, ruler. The cost of the ruler is 47 cents. You paid $1, but it doesn't, you have to figure out how much change comes back. So this is how you do that. You know when you subtract, what number always goes on top? The largest number. So you're going to put $1 on top. And then how much did it cost? You're going to line that up on the bottom. Make sure your decimal points are lined up. So your decimal point, 47 cents. And now you're going to subtract because you want to see how much change you're going to get back, okay? It cost 47 cents. You gave her $1. How much change should you get back? Well, your hundredths doesn't have any. For you to, you can't take 0 and take 7 away. So you have to go to your tenths. Your tenths doesn't have any. So your tenths has to go to your tens. Your tens does. That becomes a 0. Now you have 10 tenths. So now you do have to borrow, and now you have 10 hundredths. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. Drop down your decimal point, 0 minus 0, and then your dollar sign. So how much change are you going to get back? You're going to get back 53 cents. You're going to do the same thing for the next one. I'm going to erase this. Make sure you always show your work. So you are going to get a sandwich. The sandwich costs $3.18. You paid $5. How much change are you going to get back? You're going to subtract again because you're giving them $5, but the sandwich did not cost $5. It cost $3.18. So you're going to have to subtract. So you know your largest number goes on top, $5. How much did you pay? $3.18. So line up your decimal points and now subtract. So your hundredths does not have enough for you to subtract. So then you go to your tenths. Your tenths doesn't have enough for you to subtract. So now you have to go to your tens. This becomes a 4. Now you have 10 tenths, which now you can subtract and give it to your hundredths. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8. Your decimal point falls straight down. 4 minus 3 is 1. And your dollar sign. So you are going to get $1.82 back. Okay, that goes in the blank. But what if they leave out one of the other numbers, like they did for number 3? What if number 3 says you bought seeds, they cost $1.55, and the change you got back was 45 cents, but you don't know how much you paid. So when the amount paid or the amount cost is missing, you are going to add those two numbers together. So $1.55, because that's how much it cost, you got back 45 cents. So how much did you pay? You want to add that together because you know you had to pay more. So 5 plus 5 is 10. You put down your 0, carry your 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Put down your 0, carry your 1. Remember your decimal point just falls straight down. 1 plus 1 is 2. So how much did you pay? $2. Okay, we're gonna go to one more. I'm gonna skip down a number. I'm gonna go ahead and erase this so I have more room. And I'm gonna jump to number 5, and it says shampoo. So number 5 is shampoo. It doesn't have how much it costs, so this is what we're missing. But I know I paid $1, and I got back 11 cents. So before I said you're going to add them both, but you're not. Because if I paid $1 and I got 11 cents, then I need to see how much this is. So I'm going to take $1 and I'm going to subtract 11 cents. So $1 minus 11 cents equals, well, I don't have anything to borrow from here. This neighbor doesn't have anything, and this neighbor does. So this becomes a 0. My tenths becomes 10 tenths. Now I can subtract. That becomes a 9, and this becomes 10 hundredths. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So how much did the shampoo cost? 89 cents. So if you are missing the cost or the change, you are going to subtract. If you are missing how much you paid, you are going to add these two together. I hope that clarifies. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.